Degiro or Revolut, which broker is better? We get this question a lot, so before diving into fees, products, and other key factors, here's our quick take. Degiro is a discount Dutch-German stockbroker. We recommend them for traders and investors looking for execution only. Meanwhile, Revolut is a UK-based fintech offering stocks and CFDs. It's a great choice for beginners looking for low-cost stock trading and a great mobile-only trading platform. But before we discuss what you can trade at these brokers, let's have a quick safety check. First and foremost, you can rest assured, both brokers fully pass BrokerChooser's rigorous safety assessment and are regulated by at least one top-tier regulator, meaning your money is as safe as it gets. In the past 6 months, Degiro was chosen by about 9,000 BrokerChooser users versus around 5,000 who went with Revolut. Popularity isn't a guarantee, but it does hint at where traders are heading. For most people, the decision comes down to the practical stuff like product range, fees, and platform experience. So first, let's have a look at product availability. On the screen, you can see whether Degiro and Revolut offer some of the most in-demand products among BrokerChooser users. Now let's have a closer look at fees, starting with stocks and ETFs. To make fees comparable, we assumed a purchase of $2,000 worth of US stocks and US-listed ETFs, and €2,000 worth of EU-listed ETFs. At Degiro, buying stocks costs $2.3. When it comes to Revolut, buying stocks costs $5. At Degiro, trading US-listed ETFs costs $3.5, while trading EU-listed ETFs costs €3. At Revolut, trading US-listed ETFs costs $5, while trading EU-listed ETFs costs €5. Now let's move on to options. Trading options at Degiro is available at low fees compared with industry levels. Trading options at Revolut is not possible. Next up is crypto. Trading crypto at Degiro is available at low fees compared with industry levels. Trading crypto at Revolut is available at high fees compared with industry levels. Now, apart from trading fees, you should also consider non-trading fees, especially the inactivity fee and withdrawal fees. These can be tricky, so check out all the details in our written reviews. The account opening process at Degiro was rated 5 out of 5 during our tests, while Revolut scored 5. And when it comes to trading platforms, on the same scale of 5, Degiro scored 3.8, while Revolut was rated 3.7. So what are the key takeaways? Our methodology is based on manually testing each broker with real money. We collect thousands of data points covering safety, fees, products, services, and many other aspects. This means that the cheaper broker is not always the better choice. When we combine all of these factors, for stock trading, we'd go with Degiro. When it comes to options trading, we don't recommend either broker based on our criteria. Instead, see our best options trading platforms list. Finally, for trading cryptocurrencies, we'd go with Revolut. Thanks for watching this video. For our full, up-to-date reviews of both Degiro and Revolut, click the links in the description. And if you want more videos that can help you with investing, follow BrokerChooser's YouTube channel. See you next time.